Hi guys, it's Fruit here. So in today's video, we'll be looking at a very interesting physics experiment. In this video clip, a light beam was shot from air into a water stream. And as the stream bends downwards, the light bends with it. If we look closely, we could see that light inside the water is actually reflected. So, what happened? To understand this phenomena, we first need to know what is refraction of light. Refraction basically happens because light travels in a different speed in different medium. Generally, light travels slower when the medium is denser. So long ago, people discovered that as a light shot from the air into the water with an angle, it bends downward. So let me draw the picture. So this is the air, and this is the water. A light shot from the air bends downward in the water. So why does that happen? Well, one way to see this is to make a simple analogy. Let's say light is a vehicle that travels in different kinds of road. So the air is like the highway and water is like the mud. So imagine yourself driving your car from the highway into the water, from the highway into the mud. Okay, I got a car here. At this point, what happens is that this wheel will go first into the mud, so it will turn slower, and as a result, the whole car changes its direction. And that is the basic phenomena of refraction. So, there are mathematical proofs to show this is valid, but we'll not cover it today. Let's go forward. What if a light was shot from the water into the air? Actually, it will follow the same path. Now, let us focus on this angle. We call it theta. What if I change the value of theta to make it bigger so that the ray from the water is actually turning upward like that? As a result, the refraction rate up in the air turns towards the water surface. What if this angle kept getting bigger? At one point, when this angle is big enough, boom, the light ray goes parallel. It goes parallel to the water surface, and we call this angle as the critical angle. Okay, let's move on. What if the angle is even bigger than the critical angle? Behold, the refraction ray turns back into the water. And that is what happens in the video clip. We call this phenomena as the total internal reflection. Now, you may have a question. So what is the use of knowing this? Actually, it turned out to be very useful. This total internal reflection is the principle of fiber optics. So the basic idea of fiber optics is to use a glass tube or a plastic tube to send light as a signal from one place to another. It is used in telephones and in medical examinations, etc. Wow, didn't know that this could be so useful, right? Okay, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys learned something new. If you enjoy it, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.